Hi everybody. I'm going to show you how to add and manage product attributes and variations in WooCommerce. So attributes and variations, you must have seen this or must be wanting to have these features in your website, such as when you have a product, you may have the product in different colors, size, in different models. So this feature attributes and variations, they help you add different variations of the product in WooCommerce. So let's first understand what exactly an attribute is and what a variation is. So every product can have an attribute. So not just one attribute, but you can have multiple attributes. So and each attribute has a variation. So and likewise you can have multiple variations to each attribute. So to simplify, I'll just explain you how exactly the structure is. So this is your product. A product can have an attribute, and under attributes you can have multiple attributes. So the first one, let's say if it is color, then that's an attribute, and you can have different variations. So a variation would be the color blue, and the second variation would be the color green. Likewise, the second attribute will be the size, and the first variation of the second attribute will be large, and then the second variation of the second attribute is going to be XL. So this is how the structure is. So let's get to the WordPress WooCommerce. So you'll have to go to products, and then you'll see all products, add new, categories, tags, and then attributes. So before we add any product, let's go and add attributes. So right now we don't have any attribute, so let's start with color. That's the first attribute. Okay, and the second one is size. Okay, so under color we are going to add terms that are going to be used for the variations. So we have two variations under color. The first one is blue and the second one is green. So we are going to add terms blue, then green. Okay, so right now there are 0 products that have been tagged to green or blue. Alright, so let's get back to attributes. Now we are going to add sizes. Configure terms. So we have two variations under size. One is large, one is XL. You can add as many you like small, medium, large, extra large. So this is large, and now extra large. Alright, you can also add description if you like. So each variation will have a different description. So okay, now we have our attributes ready with two attributes with two variations. So let's go and add a product. So okay, the product is going to be a t-shirt with different colors. Okay, so firstly you have to change the product from simple to a variable. Then attach an image. Okay, upload have the product in 3 colors. And now let's go to attributes. Now you have 2 attributes over here, because by default the attributes get assigned to every product. Not assigned, but it is available for every product to get it assigned. So we are going to first add the color. Add. Now check mark used for variations. Let's select blue, then select green. Save. So now you have color over here. Okay, now let's add size. The first one is L, the second one is XL. Okay, wait a minute. Use for variations. Yeah, so we have variations available now. The first is create, either you can add variation, or the better way is to get from the attributes. Let's go. Okay, 4 variations added. So what are those? Blue, then you have green, then green. So you have blue color in large, and then blue color in extra large, green color in large, then green color in extra large. So there are 4 different variations. So now that we have 4 variations added to the same product, we can manage to have separate image, price, separate sale price. You can manage separate schedule for the price. You can manage separate stock. So if you don't want to manage stock separately, you can just uncheck or just check mark to manage the stock. Weight, dimensions, all the values you can manage, product values you can manage separately for each variation. So it's like having 4 different products within one single product. So let's attach an image. So blue, right? So we have a blue color image, and then you can manage shipping and everything. So this was blue L, so obviously we are going to have the same image for Excel. And manage stock, let's say 20, and yeah, let's attach green. Alright, stock. Quantity 20. Also you can have a different price for this. Let's say this is 150, and this is going to be 180, and stock 20. Alright, you can also have separate description for the product. Pricing to the blue ones, 120, and then 100. Right. Now you can have it either have a general pricing for this, or you can just follow the variations, and you can set a default value. Let's say blue and L, that's going to show the default value. Otherwise it will show you for example, if you don't select this, then it by default you'll see a price that shows variation prices. Let's say that starts with 100 to the max price 180. So it's going to show like that. So it's better to always have a default price, the lowest one, to attract the customer. And let's publish this. All right. Now just let's see how the product is going to be visible over here. All right. So this is the default product, and it's showing blue in color by default. If you select, it shows green. Now if you don't select any options, it's going to show you all three colors, and if you select an option, it's going to show you blue color. And now let's see how the pricing is working over here. Okay, so blue large is 100. Now blue large XL is 120, and there are 20 in stock. And likewise, green large XL, there are 20 in stock, it's 180, and L is 150, and that's 20 in stock. Alright, so this is how the variations and attributes work. So if you just place an order, then you'll see a difference in the stock as well. Whichever product you select, that is obviously going to get deducted from your inventory. So that's it for now. This is how the products and variations work. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, and maybe we can answer in another video.